Hello kids.
Hello teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening teacher.
Okay, fine. So we are going to have computer class today. Yes, we did this class introduction to computers many a times before, but because there are some new students, yes, yeah, who want to listen to this class again, and the old students who already heard this, they have been to functions, villages, yes, and they left that information there itself. They forgot to bring it back. Yes, so that's the reason I'm revising it, so that now when you go to school it will not look new to you. Fine? Okay, this is the basic information about the computers that you must have, that every student should have. Okay? Yes. So fine, let us start with what is computer. What is computer? We did this class before, right? So who can tell what is computer? You will tell? See, Aruhi is also learning about computer. Wow. Yes.
A computer is an electronic machine that accepts information data process specific instruments to provide result as new
Information.
information.
Okay, please sit. Okay, somehow she tried to tell at least. Something is better than nothing. Yes, she tried to tell at least. Yes. So what is a computer? First of all, tell me, computer is a living thing or a non-living thing? Non-living thing. Yes. Fine. So computer is a non-living thing and it's a machine. It's a machine. Machine है जिसके साथ लोग चिपके हुए हैं. Okay, it's a non-living thing. Computer is a non-living thing. Mobile is a non-living thing, and people spend maximum time with this non-living thing. And the living things like parents, like grandparents, siblings, relatives, all they are kept aside. No time for them, or minimum time for them, and maximum time for the non-living things. Yes, because we get entertained by this, right? उनमें कहाँ entertainment दिखाई देता है? Parents में कहाँ entertainment दिख रहा है ना? Grandparents में कहाँ entertainment दिख रहा है? Yes, है कि नहीं? Relatives में कहाँ entertainment? Entertainment तो इनमें दिखता है. तो इसीलिए people spend more time with this, but actually we should not do that.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, these are gadgets. Yes, these are non-living things. Yes, they are important to us. Yes, we are learning with them, but they are non-living things still. Yes, so spend only the required time with them. Okay, kids?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. So computer is a non-living thing, and it's a machine. It's a machine. It is an electronic machine. Why we call it as electronic machine? Because it runs with electricity. It requires electricity to operate. Yes or no? Yes. So any machine or any device which requires electricity to run, we call it as electronic machine. Give few examples of electronic machine like fan, lights, TV, computer, grinder, cooler, AC, yes, laptops, washing machine, refrigerator, yes, this one, iron. All these are what? Electronic machine. Computer, likewise, computer is also an electronic machine which requires electricity to run. It's a machine which accepts information. Yeah, you give some information to it. Yeah, you give some order to it. You enter some data into it. Yeah, so it's a machine that accepts information and process it. Okay, and then gives you an output as new information. मतलब कुछ इनपुट हो रहा है, ठीक है? जैसे कि वॉशिंग मशीन है, आप मैले कपड़े डाल रहे हो, ठीक है, फिर पानी डाल रहे हो, फिर सर्फ डाल रहे हो, ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद आप स्टार्ट करते हो मशीन. ओके, फिर वो जो आपने डाला है वो अंदर प्रोसेस होता है, ठीक है, उसकी धुलाई होती है कपड़ों की, फिर आपको जो आउटपुट मिल रहा है, मतलब जो कपड़े आपको मिल रहे हैं वो साफ़ सुथरे नए जैसे, ठीक है. वैसे ही मैंने जस्ट एग्जांपल दिया. ओके, वैसे ही कंप्यूटर क्या करता है? यू गिव सम इन्फॉर्मेशन टू इट. आप उसको कुछ ऑर्डर देते हो, कुछ कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए बोलते हो, कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन ढूंढने के लिए बोलते हो. ओके, सो व्हाट इट डज, इट एक्सेप्ट्स दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन, इट प्रोसेसेस इट, एंड देन इट गिव्स यू द आउटपुट एज न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन व्हाट यू वांटेड. ओके, fine, understood kids? So this is computer. Computer is now not actually an acronym. Acronym मतलब वो word जो words के पहले अल्फाज से बनाया जाता है. Okay, short form. Acronym is what? A short form which is made using the first letter of the words. Okay, computer is not an acronym, but still there is a full form of computer that we follow. What is that? You know? You remember? Yeah, tell Chahat. Very nice.
Commonly operative machine.
हाँ.
Which I want computer.
Commonly operated machine.
That
COM. हाँ.
particularly
used for
training,
Education
for
research. Yes, very good, Chahat. Very good. Please clap for her. That means she is the only one who remembers what I taught. Others always sleeping. Or you forgot. हाँ, घर में kitchen में छोड़ दिया या playground में. Okay. Fine, no problem. It happens. But now you remember. Okay. So what is the full form of computer? It is not an acronym, but just to remember, what is the full form of computer? Commonly operated machine that is particularly used for training, education and research purpose. Okay, kids? Fine. Now, computers are used at different places. Where all you saw the computers? At what all places you saw the computers? Can you tell me, Habiba? At what are the different places where you saw the computers?
Airport,
At airports. सिर्फ एयरपोर्ट में? At home.
hospital,
Hospitals.
office,
Office. Bank. Schools. Colleges. Universities. Yes? Very good. Please say. Please clap for her. Okay? So there are different places that computers are used at. Yes? Okay? At home. What for we are using it at home?
project work,
For project work. Yes, please. Homeworks. हाँ, होमवर्क बोलते हो आप लोग, लेकिन होमवर्क कम होता है और आप लोग के गेम्स ज़्यादा होते हैं, है कि नहीं? हाँ, पेरेंट्स को बोलोगे कि मम्मा वी आर डूइंग होमवर्क एंड प्रोजेक्ट्स, बट व्हाट यू पीपल डू? टेल ऑनेस्टली. हाँ, गेम्स, बालवीर एंड व्हाट ऑल? हाँ, यस, मूवीज. दैट यू शुड नॉट डू. ओके? टू सेंड एंड रिसीव मैसेजेस, projects work, your homeworks, yes, to send and receive messages, to watch movies, yeah, to do drawings and to play games also. Yes, please say. Very good. Please clap for her. Yes. Okay, so these are the things that you can use computer for at home. Okay, then at schools, for what it is used? No, for teaching
purpose.
For teaching purpose, to train the teachers. Yes, teachers also require to be trained. Yes, they are teaching you, but for what they receive the training? To upgrade, you know. Yeah, the education system, they need to be upgraded with that, right? Yeah, so teacher training, for teacher training also it is used, for student training also it is used. Okay, kids? Yes. Then at hospitals, for what it is used?
patient record,
Yeah, to store all the medical information. Medical information it is used. Yes? Okay. All the information related to the patient. Yes? Patient कब हॉस्पिटल में आए हैं, उसको क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्या क्या टेस्ट हुए हैं, कौन सा डॉक्टर उसे देख रहा है. Okay? Yes, which doctor is examining, which all doctors have examined. Yes, what all tests done, what all medicines prescribed, how long the patient has been in the hospital, when the patient got discharged, and what is the discharge summary. Okay, everything you will get it in the system. Everything, complete medical information is stored. All about the staff also. Hospital की staff की information भी उसमें store की जाती है. Understood? Very useful. Yes, fine. Then next, in the banks, at banks for what it is used?
amount,
It help at banks.
Account
It is used to use.
holder.
Yes, to what is that? Information of the account holders. जिसका भी account बैंक में है. For example, अंशुमन ने बैंक में account खोला है. अंशुमन, तो अंशुमन के बैंक में कितना पैसा है, ठीक है, किसको किसको भेजा है, ठीक है. अंशुमन became so serious. मेरा तो कोई अकाउंट ही नहीं है, मैं तो छोटा सा बच्चा हूँ. Okay, so if all the account holders, whoever is holding the accounts in that bank, okay, how much money they have, what all transaction they are doing, कितना receive किया, कितना भेजा, okay, कब भेजा, everything, all that is stored in the computer. Fine. Next, at colleges and universities also it is used for educational purposes, for study purpose. Yes. Then at railway stations, for what it is used? Yes, for book reservation, for reserving the tickets and booking information also you will get it. At airports also same thing. All the passengers information you will have. Yes, so it's a very useful machine. Computer is a very
useful machine,
which is used for various purposes. And how computer is different from the humans? We are also working, computer also working. Yes, we are also working, computer also working. Yes. So how computers are different from us? How computers are different from the humans? Can you tell that? Okay, first thing is we are living and they are non-living. Thank God.
Did not tired.
They don't get tired. Very good. Computers can work continuously. Computers can work continuously. They don't get tired. उनकी बैटरी लो नहीं होती, उनको बस चार्जिंग पे लगाओ और करते जाओ काम. They don't get tired. But we humans, वी ह्यूमन्स वी गेट टायर्ड, ठीक है ना. आपको बोलेंगे पढ़ाई करो, आप 1 घंटा पढ़ोगे, 2 घंटे पढ़ोगे, 3 घंटे, 4 घंटे, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that you get tired, you need a break. Computers don't need a break. Yeah, they can work continuously because they are non-living things. Yeah, they don't have to go to toilet, right? They don't have to go for bathroom. They don't feel hungry. They only need charging. Yeah, they don't feel hungry. They don't need mama, they don't need daddy, they don't need burger, they don't need pizza. Yes, so they can work continuously. But we humans have all this work. Fine? Okay. Then next. Yeah, they do not make mistakes like humans. Fine? Only case is if you enter wrong information, they may give you wrong result. Fine? If input is wrong, output will be wrong. But otherwise, computers, they don't make mistakes. Fine? Like humans. Then next. They work very fast. Yes, they work very fast. Very large calculations can be done very fast, easily. Yeah, they make hours. Yeah, very large calculations can be done in few seconds. We can also do it, but it takes a little bit of time. Yeah, but we are not as fast as them. But okay, computers are very fast. But you know which is the fastest machine in the world? No. Which is the fastest machine in the world, kids? I'm asking. There are so many machines, as you said, list. Which is the fastest machine in the world? Human brain. Human brain. Who invented computer? Charles Babbage. Who was Charles Babbage? Human being. So human brain ने कंप्यूटर को बनाया है. तो जो brain बना सकता है वो fast हुआ कि नहीं? हाँ. So which is the fastest machine in the world? Yes. Computers are fast, but human brain only invented it. Charles Babbage was a human being who invented the computer for the first time. Yes, so human brain is fast, but we don't use it. हम यूज़ नहीं करते अपनी इंटेलिजेंस को, ये अलग बात है, लेकिन हमारा ब्रेन कंप्यूटर से फास्ट हो सकता है. ओके, फाइन. देन नेक्स्ट, they don't get tired, they work very fast, they can work continuously, they don't make mistakes, all this. Fine. And they can do many kinds of work at the same time. Yes. Now if I tell you, Krishna, read math, science, social together, how will you read? No. I'll tell you, Krishna, wash clothes, wash utensils and clean home also together, how you will do? No. We can do one work at a time. We cannot do so many works at a time. Yes. But on a computer you can do so many works at a time. You minimize this program, you can open other program. You minimize this program, you can open other program and continue. Yes. So you can do many kinds of work at the same time on the computer. Fine. These are the things. Now coming to the parts of the computer. Parts of the computer. Okay, coming here. Parts of the computer, they are divided into what is that? Primary parts and secondary parts. Yeah, you will come across the words like input devices and output devices also. Fine. Okay. So parts of the computer, they are divided into primary parts and secondary parts. What are the primary parts or the basic parts? Monitor. Wow. समझ नहीं आया. I will tell. Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. Okay, these are the primary parts. And the remaining, what you can see down, like speaker, UPS, printer, all these are what? Secondary parts. Fine. Now coming to the monitor. Coming to the monitor. See, it looks like a TV screen, right?
Yes, teacher.
The monitor looks like a
TV screen.
Yeah, so it displays all the images. Yeah, it displays all the images, videos, text, whatever you are seeing on the screen. Yes, it is also called as
video.
What is the full form?
Visual Display Unit.
Visual Display Unit. Okay. So monitor is also called as Visual Display Unit. Okay. So it displays all the. You know, monitors are of two types. You know, like LCD monitors and LED monitors.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Previously, you have seen how the computers were big.
Yes, teacher.
Big computers. Yes. Now you have very thin. Yeah, which requires less place. Yeah, LED monitors and LCD monitors. Okay. Then now next coming to CPU. What is the full form of CPU?
Central Processing Unit.
Very good. Central Processing
Unit.
Very good. Central Processing Unit. This is called the brain of the computer. Why we call it as brain of the computer?
That remain CPU controls the computer.
Very good, Krishna, and very good, Shushmita. CPU controls all the working of the computer. All the working of the computer. Okay. ये brain है ना जो हमारा ऊपर देखो ऊपर वाले ने कैसे बनाया, छोटा सा है लेकिन पूरी बॉडी को कंट्रोल करता है, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज स्टोर्ड इन दैट एंड ऑल द फंक्शंस आर ऑर्डर्स आर गिवन फ्रॉम देयर. ओके, कंट्रोल सेंटर है. ब्रेन क्या है, बॉडी का कंट्रोल सेंटर है. उसी तरह CPU इज द कंट्रोल सेंटर ऑफ, आई मीन द ब्रेन ऑफ द computer. So it all the information whatever you're doing on the computer, किसने खोला, कब खोला, क्या क्या किया, क्या क्या देखा, ठीक है, सब कुछ इसके अंदर क्या है, सब कुछ वो CPU में स्टोर होता है. ओके, सो इट इज़ द कंट्रोल सेंटर ऑफ द कंप्यूटर, दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल इट एज ब्रेन ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. ओके किड्स, फाइन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. ओके, नेक्स्ट प्राइमरी पार्ट इज कीबोर्ड. व्हाट इज दैट? कीबोर्ड. कीबोर्ड टाइपिंग के लिए. हाउ विल यू एंटर द इंफॉर्मेशन? विदाउट दिस यू कैनॉट एंटर द इंफॉर्मेशन. It is an input device. Yes, we cannot enter the information without this. Yeah, so it has all the alphabets. You can see numbers and so all the, yes, yeah, so all the keys to carry out the function. Fine. Then next part is mouse. Okay, mouse is also very important device which is used to point at the object. Yes, and it makes our work easy. So all this monitor, yeah, monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. These four are the primary parts of the computer. Then the remaining like speakers. Speakers are what? Where? Yeah, it creates the sounds. Yes. Then UPS. What is the full form of UPS? Uninterruptible power supply. Say? Uninterruptible power supply. Yeah, that means when your normal power supply is cut off, this will give you power supply. Okay? मतलब आपकी जब करंट चला जाता है और अचानक से करंट जाएगा आएगा तो कंप्यूटर को डैमेज हो जाएगा. Okay? So they use this to protect the computer. Fine, UPS. Then next is printer. Printer, yeah, to print all the, yes, to print the images and the text on the paper. Printer is used. Then next is headphone. हाँ, म्यूजिक सिर्फ हमें सुनाई दे, हमारी बॉडी हिलती रहे. ओके, किसी को पता ना चले कि हम म्यूजिक सुन रहे हैं, पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे, इसके लिए हेडफोन यूज है. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट स्कैनर. या, विद दिस स्कैनर यू कैन एंटर द इंफॉर्मेशन इनटू द कंप्यूटर. इमेजेस एंड टेक्स्ट यू कैन एंटर इनटू द कंप्यूटर. एंड पेन ड्राइव विच इज कॉल्ड फ्लैश ड्राइव और USB भी बोलते हैं. ओके, इट स्टोर्स ऑल द डिजिटल इंफॉर्मेशन. यस, वेरी गुड. छोटी सी पेन ड्राइव बहुत बड़ा काम करती है, अच्छा भी और बुरा भी. सारी इंफॉर्मेशन इसमें, डिजिटल इंफॉर्मेशन यू कैन स्टोर इन दिस. Okay kids, so you got all the parts? Yes teacher. Very clear now? Yes teacher. Okay, so hope the computer class is understood? Yes teacher. This was not detailed but at least an overview of introduction to the computer. Fine? Yes teacher. Understood now what is computer? Yes teacher. How it is useful, how it is different from the human beings, what are the different parts and how they are useful. Okay kids? Yes teacher. Okay, so it's a very useful machine and a delicate machine also. You have to handle it very carefully. हाँ, धो नहीं सकते कपड़ों की तरह. Yes, you have to handle it very carefully. Who all have computers at home? You have computer? Others? No? TV है, मोबाइल है. हाँ, मोबाइल तो सबके पास होता है, मोबाइल नहीं है तो रो रो के आ भी जाएगा. Okay, fine. So all those who have, try to learn these parts today. Go home and okay, learn it. Fine. So all those who are watching, all the viewers who are watching, if this class has helped you in understanding introduction to the computer, then please like, share and subscribe our channel MTC-Mustafa. Thanks for watching. Wow. Really, today morning batch also, lot of energy, loaded with energy. I am very happy, loaded with energy. Yes. Thanks for watching.